The long-term hope with this is to build a big 3D program where we can take ideas like this on the fly, so not just one big, project or one big contest, but how do we do this on a day-to-day basis? So these really great ideas that parents have and health care providers have, how can we turn those into reality?
The idea I submitted was to take a piece of furniture which often doesn't have a lot of value for some of our child patients and try to make it a therapy, a play item, something of more utility.
The patient that I tested this with is somebody who doesn't have a lot of fine motor control, enjoys playing with musical toys, but is not able to do that on his own. Being able to put this in his room while he's in bed, in front of him, it's sturdy, it's immobilized, it can be at whatever angle is useful for him. He can then be left on his own to play independently.
If you have models, then hopefully we can do our preoperative planning so that the operation time is shorter, so that the outcome is more predictable, and so that there are fewer moments in the operating room where you have to make a judgment as to what is the best treatment.
I think there's a real appetite for 3D printing and how it can be used to really solve everyday problems.
Together, we do amazing things every day.